Now I'm going to tell you something about utilization of CPU. That the CPU never remains idle even if you are not using any application or running software on your system. Now I'm going to show you the window task manager. Right now I'm using the application Camtasia Recorder that is running on my system, and you can see on the taskbar that there is no application running on my system else than the Camtasia Recorder. I'm showing you the window task manager, but and you can see the utilization of CPU is right now 21%. It's kept on shuffling from between 20 to 30%. But now what I'm going to tell you, the thing is, there are many processes which are executing on my system right now. It's such that the CPU keeps the link of all the processes, such as you can see that winlong.exe, utorrent.exe, tshelp.exe, taskmanager.exe, taskhost.exe, Nokia vSuite, and Groove Monitor, Explorer.exe. There are many processes executing right now, but you can see on the taskbar there is no application running on the system. The thing is, the CPU keeps the link of all the processes even if you are not using applications on your system. Now I'm going to tell you, you can see that now I'm going to close these processes, end these processes. I've ended these processes. This process have not been ended because it might be a system process. Come recorder, I can't stop this because it will stop the recording of my desktop. Now I'll end the process. Nokia vSuite. It has been deleted from the system. Now I'll delete this process. The thing I'm doing right now is just to show you that there are some processes in the system which you can't delete, which you can't end. Task host system, task manager I can't stop because it might, if I'll stop that, then the window will be, the thing which is displaying on the screen might end. TC help, that I'm going to stop, end it right now. Task manager I can't stop. Task host, I'll try to end that as well. MS, I've ended that process as well. Groove Monitor, I've ended that process as well. The thing is, the task manager, the taskbar which we see on our screen is also a process, which might be some people are not aware of that. I've ended this process as well. I've ended Explorer.exe as well, and try to end these DWM end process. CSR, the thing I want to tell you right now is I've tried to end the process CSRSS, but it had not been ended because this might be an system process, the winlong system process. I tried to end it as well, but the operation could not be completed and my access is denied. This might be a system process. I tried to stop that and this process as well. This process might not be, this is not stopped because this might be an system process. Else than the task manager and CAM recorder, there are three processes on the system: the winlong.exe, the csrss.exe, and ATIECLX and ATIECLXS.exe. The processes on the system which I might not stop. and the CPU utilization is until I have stopped all these processes, until I've stopped all these processes, but the CPU utilization is also is not 0%. The thing I want to convey is the CPU never remains idle even if you have stopped all the processes. Thank you.